Hello my friends and welcome to another Tuesday of tutorial. I am Leonardo Perez Nieto and today we will draw a bird woman. Let's begin by sketching the top of the head. Like so. Then the shape of the hair, the eyebrows, and the eyes. Very simplified, just with a few lines. Like this. We mark the bottom of the nose, actually just the nostrils for now, the lips, and the chin. I invite you to follow me on Instagram and Twitter @ArtistLeonardo. Those are the places where I post the new artworks first, as well as news like exhibits, contests, etc. Let's draw her long hair in front on one side and on the back on the other one. I measure to make sure the proportion is correct. The nipples of a woman are usually a little bit lower than one length of the head, and her arms will become wings. I use the kneaded eraser to make an adjustment. And let's draw some feathers up here too. And what about some feathers on her breast? This could be like a concept art drawing. What I mean is designing or inventing a new character for a graphic story or a comic, video game, etc. I switched to a slightly softer lead for the darks of the hair. The list of materials is in the description below the video. I'm not trying, of course, to draw every hair. We're just concerned about portraying the masses of hairs, the volume. We will see the feathers of her wing down here. And let's draw some small feathers on her arms. Let's give texture to some. The feathers in this area will be a lot longer. Let's switch to a harder lead to give a tone to her body, a light tone. If you are liking this video, please subscribe to Fine Art Tips if you haven't done so already. Thanks! This is so fun and so relaxing. I love drawing so much. And if you got all the way to this point, I would love to know it. Please in the comments leave me the secret message, my featherly friend. And it's ready. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, and if you are interested in learning to draw the figure from memory or imagination, click on the video on the screen. and I will see you with more creations on Tuesday.